Hey everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and today we're going to be doing some drawing exercises. I did some birds with hearts here before, so I thought I'd do something similar to what we did with some mushrooms. So it started with mushroom in front, and another mushroom. I had another example in here. Where'd it go? Okay, mushroom in front, and then we built around the background with it. But this time we're going to do hearts, and these are fun things that you can do on any junk journal page. And they can be loose hearts. So this is a loose heart, and maybe this is going to be a flower. And these hearts are going to be the petals of the flower. Like I said, it's very loose drawing, just almost like a clover at this point. Oh, I'm stuck on something. Oh, it's a thread. Okay, so we have a very basic loose flower. Now you can build upon your flower here. Maybe there's parts of hearts here that we can't even see the rest, but we're building. We're just building the levels of the flowers with the hearts, just working with one shape and going from there. Okay, they don't have to be perfect. No. And you can keep doing little heart-like things peeking out in between the connection points here between the flowers. Okay. And I'm not a very neat drawer, but I'm kind of just trying to show you the concept of it. Okay. And you can even fill it in with some bigger heart-like things that might be here. And you really can just keep going. It's almost like a Zentangle sort of design, building upon itself. And you can just fill in any areas with a heart-like petal. And then once you feel like you've got enough heart-like petals to fill out your base flower, then you can start. Maybe you want to do a central design in this flower, and maybe that's going to be a heart here, a heart here, a heart here, and a heart here. And I might even color these in, like maybe just, this is a pen I'm using, it's just a regular pen. You could also use a marker or like a Faber-Castell pen, which is really a marker in disguise. It's an artist pen. And this will just give some centralization to the flower. Just kind of a fun little technique to do. All right, I'm just filling this last little guy in. I'm still in shot, almost. Okay, not bad. Not bad for me. All right, there we go. And just darken that up a little bit. And then you can go with this kind of a concept, building backgrounds, which are, maybe they're bigger, maybe they're smaller. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, there's going to be a big heart here, there, and maybe there's going to be a heart here, okay, and maybe there's going to be, let's say the wedge of a heart here, and the wedge of a heart down up. It's almost going to come in out of this one there. And you could even do another heart here. So you can build continually parts or pieces of the original design into the pattern. And there's really no right or wrong way to do this. You just sort of go with the flow and add more heart. And they can also be on angles. They don't have to all be, you know, up and down. They can be sideways and whatever way you like. And then you can add like layers to the ones in the background, like they can have dimension. Okay. And even this one. And you can make funny sounds while you draw. Totally fine. Let me just do a big fat chubber heart up here with an internal heart. And you're saying, you know, how can I add this into a junk journal? Well, you could just draw this on a page. You could draw this on a separate piece of paper, fold it up and put it in a pocket or a tuck or an envelope, or slip it under a belly band. I mean, there's a lot of different ways that you can add your own art to your junk journals. There. Okay. Just keep layering in the hearts until you feel like you are done. So just a fun little idea. And you can really do this with any shape. It doesn't have to be a heart, but a heart's, I like hearts. They're fun to work with. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. You can even have little hearts amongst the others. Oh, I've got everything tied up here. Such a crafter's desk, isn't it? And if you've never played around with just playing with designs and things like this, it's really fun and relaxing. It's kind of like coloring, or like I said, Zentangle, things like that. You can put these in different places. They don't have to be uniform or anything. You can break out of your own little box and just have some fun with it. So then if you want to leave it black and white, you can leave it black and white. You could add color to it. You could ink over the whole thing. Like, let's just try muting it down. Is this the dreaded brown one? This has distress ink, probably vintage. Well, we'll put some vintage photo on it and just see what happens when we knock it back a bit. And if I do it non-uniformly, it's going to look more aged. So that is some way that you can add it to your journal. You could do a lot of fun things with Valentines and things like that in here. I think I have a red. Oh, here it is. Look at that. Right at the nothing's ever at the ready. Here it is. Fired brick. Okay, do I have the right dauber? I would need the pink one. Do I see the pink one? I don't see the pink one. Hang on. It must be on my desk, which I do not see it. Where are you, pink one? Well, we're gonna have to call you the pink one. You could be pink. You're definitely not pink. You're the blue one. You must be the pink one. Well, we're gonna go in. We're gonna put it in the fired brick and just do it here. So, okay, here we go. Let's see. I'm just going to hue this and see how that just comes to life. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I mean, and you could do it with the smaller ones too. Do I have a smaller? Yes, I do actually. Because I bought a pack of these and it came in multi sizes, so I think we're gonna be okay. In the red again. I just want to do these little areas, these little hearts here. Amplify them a little bit. Maybe I need some more little hearts. How about a little heart here? Little heart here, little heart here. These are little accent hearts. Nothing wrong with a little accent heart. Can you see? Okay. It's like soft coloring. Okay. Oh, that we need a heart up here? Okay. Okay. A little bit there. A little bit over here. So you just keep adding to your design if you want to, much as you want to play with it. And now you can go in and you can layer in some texture with a pen. And you can do that by, for example, maybe I want to put some lines in between these little bands I've made. And this is just bringing out, again, it's very loose. Change the angle, filling in that, almost like cross hatching and drawing. Down on the angle. There. And you can see that amplifies that up a little bit. To enhance it a little bit more, maybe I want to change it to cross hatching here. So I'm changing the direction of the lines. Changing the direction here where it bends. Getting straight, maybe changing here a little bit. There we go. All right, and so you can keep going and doing fun things. You can add more drama, like maybe there's going to be a third wave line here of another interior heart. This is almost starting to become, to look like a locket of some sort. In the center, some kind of bizarre locket from another time. Almost steampunkish. Okay. So yeah, so you can do a lot of unique and crazy things. Now you can also ink on top of things. So like, let's say we put some like brown over that. Now maybe we want to add a little bit more brown just to certain areas. Like maybe these hearts we want to do brown on the inside. And just give them a little bit of different pop and texture, because they're little isolated brown hearts in here. Okay. And then maybe we're going to take that pink, it's not a pink, Pam, it's a fire brick red. And I think I'm going to use this one because it's just like the size of a toothbrush. It's pretty good. Okay. And maybe I'm going to go around the outside of this and give it some color in this area here. I'm just going to color in this one zone so we can give it a little bit more of emphasis. I'm going to do that up here too, just a little background area. Okay. Maybe there's little background areas here. It doesn't have to be exact. No, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything. But just like a little area covered in. Maybe this area here. You know what, maybe we'll do this whole area here. Just color that in. So as you can see, it's taking on different dimension. And just working again with the brown. Maybe I'm going to take some brown here. Follow that a little bit more intensively. Take that down. Put that in a little bit more. Paper starts to take on a completely different character. I don't know if it's picking it up really well. Put some more light on it there. But it looks really cool in real life. Let's see, where's that big brown dauber? I have to like emphasize the edges just a little bit more, especially the corners. Oh, there, that's kind of cool. The paper folded over. It gave a little interesting area there. Okay. There we go, there we go. All right, so just a fun way to decorate a paper. Like I said, you can cut it out, you can turn it into bookmarks, pockets, tucks, whatever you like, and add it to your junk journal and have some fun. So hold on a second. All right, we seem to have somebody in the building here that wants to say a few words. Hello, everybody, Sunshine. Mom, get the light, please. The light is too bright. Okay, better.
All right, hello everybody, it's Sunshine. Pup Cub Reporter here, reporting to you from the paper Outpost, reporting that all is well, and there are no major incidents today. Everything is fine. There is much rain. We are staying as dry as possible because Sunshine does not like the rain. No, 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 no. So, we especially don't like, and I use that term loosely, we especially don't like thunder and lightning. No, 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 no. We don't like the rain. Okay, that's like lower level. Then we don't like the thunder. Definitely don't like the thunder. Then we don't like the lightning. No way. Holy moly. No, we don't. No, 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 no. Okay, but we're all right. It's never got us. We're dry. We're safe. We're warm. We're cuddled. And we're fed. So all in all, it's a really good day at the Paper Outpost. Happy crafting, everybody.
All right, thank you, Sunshine. You're adorable. Yeah, we're just goofing off with paper today. Just decided to do some fun and easy craft along with me fun. If you don't know, I have a free monthly email newsletter. If you'd like to sign up for that, the link is down below in the drop-down description box with all my other links. If you can't find that, here's the master link to find all my links. And I have my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays, new audio material, and then my Etsy shop. You can find journals and bundles and kits and FUNDLEs when they're available. FUNDLEs are collections of old and interesting papers to put in your junk journals. Everything from antique ledger, checks, receipts, postcards, black and white photos, key cards, music papers, dictionary pages, science pages, foreign language pages, all sorts of interesting, unique, antique, and vintage paper book pages. 100 plus pieces, free priority mail shipping with that. I also sell Digikits, which are printable, downloadable images. They're themed, and if you don't like to print or don't have a printer, I will print them out for you in batches of 10 Digikits. All you need to do is buy the print and mail option and then send me a list of the 10 Digikit names that you want. I only need the first 2 or 3 words to know which ones you're needing, and send that to my Etsy message, and then I will print those out for you and ship them to you, and you get free priority mail shipping on that as well. I have an Amazon shop if you're looking for favorite tools and supplies that you see me use here on the Paper Outpost. I do my best to put links for you there. I have a merchandise shop if you're looking for a mug, a tote, a water bottle, a t-shirt, sweatshirt, zipped hoodie. You can get that with Create with Reckless Abandon on it, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise. And until then, remember most of all that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.